Dear students, this is question number 11. It's exercise 4D, book 4, 8th edition. In the diagram, OP and OQC are straight lines and PC intersects OA at B. Given that OQ is equals to 2 upon 3 of QC and PB upon PC is equals to 1 upon 3. OP is equals to 8P and OQ is equals to 8Q. Express the following vectors as simply as possible in terms of P and Q. Okay, now see the diagram over here. This is the line OA and this is OPA and OQC are straight lines. These two are straight lines. Okay, PC intersect QA. This is PC that intersects QA at point B. Given that OQ, where is OQ? OQ is equals to 2 upon 3 of QC. OQ is equals to 2/3 of QC and PB upon BC is equals to 1/3. Where is PB? PB upon BC is 1/3 and OP is equals to QP. OP, this is QP and this is 8P and this is OQ is 8Q, and express the following. Okay, so we have to write the answers in terms of A and B. Now see what is the first part. They are asking what is PC. Now see the diagram over here. Where is PC? This is PC. And how can we move? We have to move from P to Q, then Q to C. So PC is equals to PO. Now I cannot directly move. I will move from PC to OQ, then OQ, then OQC. So PO plus OQ plus QC. So you know that PO we are moving in opposite direction, so I will take minus 8P. Then OQ, so I will take plus 8Q. And then QC, what is the value of QC? You know that here it is given that OQ is equals to 2 upon 3 QC and the value of 8Q. OQ is 8Q upon 2 upon 3 QC. So if we shift this number on this side, they both are multiplying. So 8Q multiplied by 3 upon 2 is equals to QC. And if we multiply and simplify, so we'll get 12Q is equals to QC. So the value of QC is 12Q. And you know that 8Q plus 12Q would be 20Q minus 8P. But to write it more beautifully, we can write in the form of 20Q minus 8P. So the value of PC is 20Q minus 8P. Now second part is PB. Where is PB? See on the diagram. This is P and B. PB is the very short line. So now the value of PB is given over here. PB upon BC is equals to 1 upon 3. So I am writing PB upon BC is equals to 1 upon 3. And you know that we can also write this in the form of ratios. So PB ratio BC, they both are equal to 1:3. So PB is equals to, what is the sum of ratio? It's 4 and first is 1. So this is 1/4 of PC. This is the line PC. So this is 1/3 of PC. And we have to find out the okay, I'm telling you BC as well. BC is 3 upon 4 of PC, but we have to use this information over here because we have to find the value of PB. So PB is equals to 1/4 of PC. Now PB, we have to give the answer in terms of P and Q. So 1 upon 4 of means bracket, we can write in the bracket what is the value of PC. We have find it out in the last question. It is 20Q minus 8P. So if we simplify it directly, so we can get 5Q minus 2P. The value of PB is what I have done. If we multiply it, so the answer will be 20Q minus 8P, and if we then divide it by 4, so 5 times 4 times 5 is 5Q and 4 5s are 20, so I have written 5q, and 4 2s are 8. So this is the value of PB. Now move to third part. What is this? This is OB. See in the diagram, where is OB? This is over here. So how we can go? This is OB. Start from O and then move to B. So OP and then PB. So we can get OB. Okay. OB is equals to OP plus PB. Now where is OP? OP is 8P. Very simple. And PB is, what is the value of PB? We have find it out over here. 5Q minus 2P. So now you simply have to open the bracket, plus 5Q plus minus is minus 2P, and if we subtract 8P minus 2P, it would be 6P plus 5Q. So this is the value of OB. This was part 3. Now move to fourth part. This is the last part, and we have to find out the value of QB. So where is QB? This is QB. Start from Q and then move to B. Okay, so we can move from here, QO, then OP, and then PB. Okay, QB. QB is equals to QO, then OP, and then PB. And you know that we know the value of all the parts. QO is minus Q because OQ is plus Q, and we are taking it in the opposite direction, so it will be minus Q plus. Now we are moving in the same direction, so we'll take minus 8Q plus 8P plus, what is the value of PB over here? It's 5Q minus 2P. 5Q minus 2P. What we have learned in vectors, if we find out the value of any part, we use that information in another part. Okay, now simply open the bracket with me. Minus 8Q plus 8P plus 5Q and minus 2P, because plus minus is minus. Minus 8Q and plus 5Q, it would be minus 3Q. 8P minus 2P would be 6P. So if we want to write it more beautifully, we can write 6P minus 3Q. This is correct. Or we can take 2 as common, so 3 as common, so we can write 2P minus Q. So this was part 4. Thanks for watching my video.